The Standard of Ur. The Standard of Ur is an ancient artifact made from a combination of materials that showcase the advanced craftsmanship and artistic skills of the Sumerian civilization. This rectangular box, discovered in the Royal Cemetery of Ur by the British archaeologist Sir Leonard Woolley in the 1920s, is a mosaic-like panel divided into two sides, each depicting different scenes. Origins of the materials. The extraordinary Standard of Ur is like a puzzle crafted from treasures across the ancient world. Lapis lazuli, a dazzling blue gemstone, made its way from Badakhshan, Afghanistan. The smooth white shells decorating it sailed from the shores of the Persian Gulf. The vibrant red limestone, creating a backdrop, traveled from the bustling markets of India. Wealth and power of ancient Sumerian kings. These far-flung origins whisper tales about the wealth and power of ancient Sumerian kings. The use of precious materials from distant lands suggests these rulers were not just powerful, but also held sway over extensive trade networks, acquiring rare and valuable items to flaunt their status. Wealth of Sumer and ancient trade. The inclusion of materials from Afghanistan and India highlights the wealth of Sumer. It showcases a civilization not only rich in resources, but actively involved in ancient trade, demonstrating their economic prowess and ability to access exotic materials from different corners of the ancient world. Mosaic of materials. The intricate scenes on the Standard of Ur are crafted using these materials in a mosaic technique, where small, carefully cut pieces of shell, limestone, and lapis lazuli are set into bitumen, a tar-like substance, to create detailed images. It was all placed with a wooden frame. The wood, sadly, has rotted away over the years, and some mosaic pieces were damaged. The result is a visually stunning and highly symbolic piece of art that provides valuable insights into the Sumerian way of life. The two sides. One side of the Standard of Ur shows scenes of warriors marching in formation, capturing prisoners, and presenting them to a king. It's like watching an action-packed movie from a long time ago. The other side is more peaceful, with people enjoying a banquet or party, perhaps celebrating a victory. It's like a snapshot of their happy moments. Treasures in the grave. The Standard of Ur was not alone. It was discovered in a grave with other precious items. Carnelian beads from the Indus Valley accompanied it, showcasing a rich assortment of treasures buried with someone important. This strongly suggests that the Standard of Ur belonged to a person of high status. Burial in a royal grave. Why was the Standard of Ur buried in a royal grave? The presence of valuable items alongside it hints at its importance. Perhaps it held a special significance in the life or afterlife of a ruler, symbolizing power, status, or religious beliefs. Preservation and relevance. Unearthed in the 1920s, in the Royal Cemetery of Ur, the Standard of Ur is approximately 4,500 years old. Despite the wood rotting away, archaeologists have meticulously reconstructed it following excavation. The original excavator believed it to be a royal standard, possibly carried in battle, giving it its name. However, its exact use remains uncertain.